Hello guys, welcome back to Malik 034 channel. This is Mallikarjun. This is one of the continuation series of my rack grid infrastructure installation and rack database creation and configuration. In our previous video, we have seen grid setup and we have seen Oracle home installation. And in this today's session, we will look at this record scoop creation, and then we'll follow with the Oracle rack database creation, that is 12201. So before I go with the record scoop creation, if you're new to my channel, always go back to YouTube and search for Malik034, and then please do subscribe. If you like my videos, please share, like, and comment. Okay, let's start with the record scoop creation now. As I said, like already I have Oracle ASM list disks, list disks list disk. So with this data 1, data 2, data 3, all these three disks used for data disk group, and I have reco 1, reco 2, reco 3, three disk I have. With these three I can create my reco disk group. So what I'll do, I'll just log in as a grid, and I'll set up the environment and ASM configuration assistant. You can create your disk group using ASMCA, that's a GUI method, or also you can connect to your ASM, and you can create a disk group. Okay, so this ASMCA is a GUI mode of creating your disk group or managing your disk group. So recently I have completed this ASM course, where in that I have explained about creating a disk group using a command mode or using a ASMCA or some other method. So everything I covered there. If you have any doubts, you can always feel free to ask me, or you can go to this particular playlist, ASM playlist, and you can refer all those. Okay, so we got our GUI screen here. You can go to this particular, you can verify all this. So the whatever your ASM instance are running, node 1, node 2, and disk groups. You can see data disk group, it is already mounted on both the instance. And this SFS volume, if you have it, I don't have right now. And SFS file system, if you have it, it will display here. I don't have it right now. And you can click on this settings, and you can manage all these things. So whatever you want to do it. So right now you want to create a disk group, you can click on this data disk group, right click, and create, and you can see all the reco, the files are already discovered. You can select all these three, and you can give name of the disk group reco, and you can give external, or you can go with the high redundancy. I'll go with external redundancy. And then these are the different options you can explore it. So right now, after selecting and giving the name and selecting the redundancy, click OK, creating the disk groups. So meantime, if I go to grid and .env ASM CMD, okay, record disk group is created here right now. So if you do LSDG, you can see data reco disk group. Also earlier it was only data, now reco also came here. Both the disk groups are created, and you can exit from this particular ASM configuration assistant, save it here, and done. So that's very simple. So creating your record disk group ASMCA is very simple. Okay, so now we are ready with the grid infrastructure, and also we're ready with the rack Oracle home, and then also we have our data disk group and record disk group. And now we'll start with our Oracle database installation. So I will stop it here for today's session, and tomorrow I will start with this Oracle rack database creation with some of the pre-checks. That's a dbconfig run cluff pre-check. We'll do it, and we'll install the Oracle rack database 12201. Thank you guys.